24/7 Teachers Training, our lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Number 17. Respected teacher, Assalamu Alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial, and abstract. And students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Say Assalamu Alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Children from the age of 2 to 5 years start thinking creatively and critically, counting objects, comparing sizes, exploring patterns and shapes, analyzing and solving problems. Learning should be holistic, enjoyable, and engaging, so that the students put in their best to learn. Let us start with the introduction to number 17. Students should be able to read, write, and represent number 17. Count number 17. Generate a set equal to number 17. Write number 17. Tell the children that they will be counting and writing number 17. Get them ready for the activity. Start the lesson by singing the following number song with children. 17 is easy to trace. 17 is easy to trace. 17 is easy to trace. A 1 and a 7. Now make a face. A 1 and a 7. Now make a face. Write number 17 on the writing board. Tell them that this is number 17. Introduce the number value with the help of book. Show picture, count, and say 17 jars. 17 jars. 17 jars. 17 jars. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Write number 17. Write number 17 on the board and give instructions. Write 1 and a 7 to make 17. Ask them to open their textbook, count, color, and match objects with number 17. Ask them to open their textbook and trace 17 with the help of dots. Write some jumbled numbers on the writing board and ask children to recognize 17. Reinforcement worksheet of number 17 can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.